बोला हाय मार्टेस माहौजी बांजुआ स्पेशली मेरा हार्ट सोल प्रणमा हास्य कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ मेरा मेरू फैमिली लैंड एंड सीड ऑफ शिवम सीड एंड प्रोग्रो सीड especially I would love to events about seed. Shivam seed is being given by Pela Madanana and Pogro seed is being given by Muga Rajmallu. Yesterday they have sent to our home to Soku. So yesterday they soaked Shivam seed and Progro seed. Today they have kept that seed in incubation for 3 days. So this session we are going to put Shivam seed by Pela Madanana and Progress seed by Muga Rajmalu. We are going to put in our land this kind of two types of seed in our honorable land. We put in incubation as per 3 days. 3 days later it will sprout in saplings. So like this we will put 3 days by 3 days male female seed. We are putting the seed is called male and female seed. It's nice a confluence of male and female seed Martes Mahuji Banjwa Confluencia. We are feeling awesome bro. So con this kind of male and female seed Shivam and Progro seed. It's nice the confluence of male and female seed Confluencia.